As we're thinking about what we're doing next, I noticed that there are so many people who are focused on creating a new small business and/or side hustle. It makes a lot of sense right now as things are changing so rapidly to think about what new project you can sink your teeth into. Now, of course, right now is a really difficult time to launch a successful small business. I'm going to give you 3 amazing tips that will help you be successful even now. 1, make it personal. What are you personally passionate about? Do you love cooking? Do you love writing? Do you love growing plants? It really helps if what your side hustle or small business is based on is something where you actually already have a knowledge base and a passion for. Why? Small businesses are incredibly difficult to run and they take a lot of time and energy. So the more passionate and knowledgeable you are, the better. Number 2, get creative help. The number 1 mistake I see with both my colleagues and friends who start small businesses and side hustles is that they don't ask for help. And even when you're running the smallest, teeniest, tiniest business or side hustle, it is so helpful if you know what your limitations are. For example, if you know that you won't be able to create Instagram posts and the business is a baking business, so it's going to be very visual, it's going to be helpful to find somebody who can help you create those posts. Similarly, if you need help editing videos and you don't know how or don't want to know how to do that, you can always hire an amazing editing team remotely to do that. 3, pick the right road. So what do I mean by this? I mean you want to pick something that will fit not only your skill set and interests, like we talked about before, but also your time and your schedule. If you are starting out with a side hustle or small business on top of the work that you're already doing, you need to make sure that you can budget in the right amount of time for the right kind of project. So if you are doing writing for 2 hours a week, make sure that you are setting aside that time and that you really enjoy writing, because that is why we pick our side hustles. We want to enjoy what we're doing, we want to make some extra cash, and we want to ultimately be super successful.